Hello everyone and welcome back to a new school year. Betty and I are so excited to see you here today, aren't you, Betty? Yes, she has been bugging me like a really brave bunny about when school is going to start again. She has been so excited about it. She has. And she's really excited because we have so many fantastic things planned for you this year. Now, if you're not sure who we are, because we do have a few new faces here at Newlands, I'll introduce myself. My name is Mrs. Prince, and I'm the head teacher here at Newlands. I'm sure you're going to see me around a bit, particularly over the next few days, because I'm going to visit all of the classes. And this here is Betty. Now, Betty came to us last year in our year of being brave, and she decided she was going to stay with us because she loves Newlands. She does. So you always need to be on the lookout of where Betty might be, because she always likes to check in on all the children and the fantastic things they're doing. Yes. Now, Betty and I want to tell you about our new theme for this school year. Now, you may have noticed that behind us we have a bit of a new display. Now, we still have our beautiful butterflies and flowers, of course, because what is not to love about butterflies and flowers? But we do have some new signs up on the display, and a new one being Year of Being Healthy, Mind and Body. And we have lots of things we're going to be doing with that. Let me tell you some of the things that we're going to be focusing on this year. So our Year of Being Healthy is having lots of different focuses on our mind and our body. Now, sometimes some of the things we're going to focus on have to do with both our mind and body. But let's look at our mind first. So with our mind, we're going to be looking at our creativity. How creative can you be? Can you use that imagination? Positivity. We have to be positive about the things we do. The more positive we are, the better we feel, and the more we can achieve. Of course, we're going to be doing lots of learning. We need to focus on that. The more you learn, the better you get at things. And we all want to be the best that we can be. Emotions. Now, sometimes we're happy and sometimes we're sad, sometimes we're mad. We can be all sorts of different emotions. We're going to learn how our emotions make us feel and how good emotions can make us feel more happy. Conversation. Conversation is very important. It's the talk that we do with each other. I can't wait to have some amazing conversations with you. Mindfulness. This is our ability to be able to control some of the things that make us worried or anxious or upset. If we are more mindful, we can control better those type of things. Relationships. Relationships with your friends, with your teachers, with your family, with people who are in your class. Relationships are important, and we're going to be learning about them and working on them. Now, for our body. The things we're going to focus on is hygiene. That is like brushing our teeth and taking a bath and shower and washing our hair and making sure we're clean. That also includes washing our hands. Hydration. Wow, that's a big word. Really, hydration is about drinking enough water. We want to make sure that we have enough fluids in our body to keep us healthy, and drinking water is extremely important. Healthy and balanced diet. We're going to be looking at how we can have a healthy and balanced diet, but still enjoy the things that we eat. Exercise. Exercise is important. The fitter we are, the better we feel. The better we feel, the more we can do. The more we can do, the happier we are. And then some things are for both mind and body. Active play. We're going to be doing a lot of active play this year. Keeping safe. There's lots of ways we can keep safe, and we're going to learn about those different things. Outdoor activities. Whether it's hot or it's cold or it's rainy or it's sunshiny or even maybe a bit snowy, we're going to be doing lots of fantastic outdoor activities. And sleep. Absolutely. You really need to get a good night's sleep. The better and more you sleep, the better you'll feel, and your brain will be ready for learning. So we have a lot of things we're going to be focusing on in our challenges for the year of being healthy, mind and body. Now, isn't that fantastic? Now, every week we'll start a new challenge, and that challenge is going to be one of those focuses. And I want you and your class to work really hard to meet that challenge. Then, at the end of the week, your teachers are going to be giving out awards. Now, the first award is going to be the Achievement Award, and it's the Going for Gold Award, which we give out all the time. The second award that we're going to be giving out is going to be the Year of Being Healthy Award. And the teachers are going to find those children who are showing the best at what they do, particularly around challenges that have been set. Now, periodically, and that means every now and then, I'm going to be giving out the Head Teacher Awards as well. So you never know when I'm going to be looking or when Betty's going to be looking to see what fantastic things our children are doing. Now, we need to always remember, we need to make good choices in our behaviors. And when we make good choices and we're happy and we're healthy, then we are able to learn to our full potential and be fantastic at what we do as best as we can. Because the one thing we want you to do, no matter what, is at least try. Remember our school motto? Persevere, believe, achieve. Repeat that after me now. Come on, all together. We can do it. Ready? Persevere, believe, achieve. And we can do these things. We want to do the best that we can do ourselves. Again, I am so excited to have all of you here today, and so is Betty. And I know your teachers have been waiting for you, working hard, preparing everything for our new school year. Parents, we hope that you had a nice summer with your children, and we look forward to working with you as well. So together, we're always stronger. Now, everyone, do you think we should do a challenge this week? Now, I think we're going to have a challenge that's not going to be like the rest of the challenges are, because I want us to remember back to last year and our British Sign Language Challenge. I wonder how many of you remember your signs. I'll remind you of two of them. Good morning and good afternoon. Remember, good morning and good afternoon. Make sure you do these signs this week and any else that you remember. That's our challenge. Next week starts our brand new challenges with our year being healthy. And on the Friday of next week, we're going to have our first awards assembly, and we're so excited about it. So everyone, take a nice deep breath in. Think positive thoughts. We can do it this year. Have a fantastic rest of your week.